In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first, let's open the list of all contacts. It's under contacts, and for example, you can pick some contact that you would like to block, tap on more, and select the block contact. Confirm that you would like to block it, and that's it. From now on, this number will not be able to reach you. And if you would like to unblock it, just tap on more again and select unblock contacts. But if you click on more icon right here, you can manage some general setup for the blocking. Just pick settings at first and go to block numbers. And here you can block all unknown and private callers by tapping on this indicator. Then you can also block spam and scam calls. Just tap here. And now you can smoothly manage this feature right here. And then if you'll go back, you will be able to add your recent caller, contact, or some phone number manually right here to your blacklist. Just like this, so it's super easy. And recent, I do not have any recent calls, but if it's here, you can smoothly mark it. And from now on, they will not be able to reach you. To remove those numbers from blacklist, just tap on minus. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.